Welcome to Take a Step to a Better You. In this video, I'm sharing briefly why the 90 minutes high ticket affiliate program by Brian Brewer is the best thing that's happening right now for affiliate marketers. So if you're already an affiliate marketer, a digital marketer, making some, like you're making money online or trying to make money online and you're not succeeding, this is a program for you. I'm giving you 5 reasons why. And the last one is going to be a bonus one for you extra to show you that this is, I've been doing this for 4 years, is one of the best. Maybe there's another one, I don't know, but the ones I know is the best. So if you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Sherifa Nakalema. I'm a business owner in Virginia, USA. I started this channel to share what I know and continue to learn. And these days I'm focused more on making money online, making my high ticket. I'm taking it to another level. High ticket, also personal development. How do we get better as people? So those are my topics. And so if that sounds good, please consider subscribing to my channel. Please like this video before you even watch it. Just like it or like it later. So 5 reasons why, if you're concerned to make money online or you're already doing it but you're not succeeding, this is the best program. It's actually was created by a gentleman, a guru, Brian Brewer. He has won the awards. His story starts off with him being just working in a restaurant as a waiter. But if you get things out, like he will tell in his story, if you get to meet him, he's won all the awards, the art one. He's competed in all affiliate marketing programs, and now he created his own program. In fact, this is not new. He had started it, but then he improved it for right now. You know, things change, things keep changing, so he changed it, updated it, and right now I think it's great for 5 reasons. Reason number 1 is starts off free, and free with quality information. You know, they could say free, but what you get there is like everywhere. Like you find it everywhere. But he gave you the tips to succeed online in just 90 minutes. 90 minutes and it's free. Okay, that's the number 1 reason. Number 2, remember I'm giving you 5. Number 2 is free and fast. Okay, number 1 is free, but now fast, meaning only 90 minutes. And because it's only 90 minutes, you get to learn quickly and start doing quickly. You could start as soon as tomorrow, especially if you've done some kind of affiliate marketing already. 1 day is enough for you to do everything else and start, what you need to set it up. And you have your link and start promoting. So that's cool. And for the new people, like for example, I promote other programs. One will take you 30 days, another one will take you 15 days. For the new people, you go through it really quickly too. So it's good for both of you. If you are new, it's good for you. If you've been doing this, it's also good for you. Go through it and you start promoting. That's number 2. Number 3, the commissions are good. High ticket commissions. As I'm talking right now, I'm recording this. He's paying $1,000 commissions, 50%. But you know the prices could change. So all I can say is 50%, and at this point, it's 1,000 commissions. But people just go through things, numbers, and change the price. You never know. But that's at least 50%. It gives you room to promote, room to spend some money, and still get a profit. Number 4, community. He has a great community. And you know, some courses, they'll give you step by step, and I promote them. Step by step is good, but you're alone on the computer. So what if you have a question? So there's a community, and the community starts off with even the free. When you're still in the free program, there's a community called School, where you can still join other people. It's like a Facebook group, but School. Are you familiar with School? And then if you choose to upgrade after the free course, now that's when you get to start setting up your own business online, and you get to access the inner circle. The inner circle, that's where Brian is. We are all in there, and it comes twice. The first one is discussing. He comes and presents what's happening and what's new, the strategies. And then also he added another one for just question and answer, if you want to ask any questions. And for those of you who are not attend it live, there's the recorded one, so you can watch after. So that's great, because you feel like you have a home, you have a place where to go. You know, you could be at home and people don't even understand what you're doing. At least you have someone rooting for you. That's the community. That's big. Number 5 is the way is high ticket, right? But he put the payment plan. So there's the payment plan. So some people are paying the one time, others are going to the payment plan. Now the others who are going to the payment plan are giving you the person promoting, two advantages. The people who are coming in, it's easier for them because of the payment plan, but also there is passive income. So for you who is promoting, because people are in the payment plan, 12 months, like how they pay, you're guaranteed some money in the bank. It's not like when you promote products and then maybe one time you made some money, sometimes you didn't. So some money is going to keep coming, assuming you're active yourself, right? That was 5. I finished 5. Now I promise you a bonus one. The bonus one is for those people who understand it. Those people already promoting. Because you know that we always start off with capturing someone's email, right? And you're always wondering, what am I going to give people to capture the email? That free course turns out to be your lead magnet, your capture. That's the one you use to capture people's email. That's why you're going to get results really quickly, because you don't have to wonder, where am I going to give them? But by the way, all the years I've been here, I've never been able to give people something to capture email with. No, I just invite them to my community and they give me their email. But now you have something to use, and that's great. That means you can start promoting as soon as whenever you want. So those are the 5 and 1 bonus, 6 reasons why I think this is one of the best right now high ticket affiliate program, and that's the Brian Brewer's 90 minutes free affiliate program. That's what he calls it, but has the inner circle inside. If you choose to upgrade. Now, how do you access it? Below here, you're going to find, I put 2 links. One for those of you who want to go access the program. Remember, I said this briefly, so maybe you'll be wondering, I wonder how it works. So I put a second link. That's for a longer video that I recorded about this, so you could watch that more and then understand. I explained more in detail what happened. This was just about the advantages. So the first link is taking you to the course, But the way you get there, I'm going to ask for your email. I capture your email first, and then when I send you an email automated from me, Sherifa, that's where the link to Brian, you'll find the link to Brian, but also you find my WhatsApp number. And the WhatsApp number is good for you. If you have any questions, you can connect with me. I also have my own Zoom, my own mini community where I can support you even more. You could have both. You could be over there and over here. But for those of you who are already promoting, maybe you don't need me. Just put your email, when I respond to you, I give you the link to Brian. Just go to Brian and access the free course. It's going to require you to register, but you don't need to give your credit card number. Just confirm your email, register, everything. You can't put fake information, please. If you're coming from TikTok and those names and everything, no. It has to be real, because if you choose to promote this, they're going to pay you. How are they going to pay you if you put fake information? So everything needs to be legit. Watch out for emails that come from Brian. He's going to invite you to join the school group. We are here meaning business. We are not joking. Brian is serious. We are all serious. We want results. We want money in the bank, okay? And we want automation. You know, some of you who know me, I'm always having these books right here. These books, the principle in this one is we need to create a business. You'll never be rich being an employee. No. You have to do some kind of business, some kind of investing. So that's what we are doing. Business, but online, and promoting products we don't own. And if you promote this and become successful, you can add any other products you want to promote. You don't have to be stuck on this one, but learn the principles of promoting things or selling, and then later you can promote whatever you want. That's my video. Remember, if you need to review this, go back and listen to it again. But those are the reasons why I strongly believe this is one of the best programs around, because of those points I gave you. Like I always end them, I say, take very good care of yourself, take very good care of your families, take very good care of your health. Please check this out. Again, there is a link that takes you to put your email to me, give it to me first, and then inside the email that comes back, there's a link to Brian. But for some of you who want to watch more of this, there is a video below. Go watch that. It also have its own way of taking you to the same place. If I didn't mention, this is not for everyone. It's for what we call developed countries. But for me, my message is mostly for those in USA. That's where it's easier for me to talk to people in the USA, because like people in Europe, they say, oh, is it scam? Is it this? No. Say straight to results. But if you feel like you can do this and you're in another country, that in the developed countries, or if you are not going to do this but you want to learn affiliate marketing, please, I'll put a third link for you. Community. Come to my community. I'll put join my community if you are in another country, not USA, and also if you have any questions. You can come to my community because it's also lead you to my WhatsApp number. But please, if you're not in USA, don't get into this. Don't put your email there because it messes up the records. You're going to go there, but then you're not going to go through the whole thing because the credit card numbers are not accepted. So please, leave this one alone, but connect with me, okay? Hope it's not very confusing. Add a comment for me. Please like it. Like it, because when you like it, the algorithm shows it to other people, okay? Support me by liking it and subscribing to my channel, okay? Take a step to a better you. Bye-bye.